Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss SYBA Compulsory English Semester 4 Unit 4 Vocabulary. Myself Dr. Nisha Bhagwat Gosavi, Assistant Professor Rayat Shikshan Samsthas Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda. Let's begin. Commonly confused words. Now what exactly commonly confused words? Which words you are going to consider as confused words? Some words they often confuse us due to some similarity in spelling or pronunciation or associated idea. Let's go through some confused words. Accident, incident. Accident means chance, fortune. As we met in the fruit market by accident. So here you are referring accident, ACCIDENT word for chance or fortune. Second meaning of the same word accident, mishap. When you are saying he died in a train accident or car accident, so here you are referring a mishap, a bad incident. Okay, and incident, the second associated word, which is also confused word. Incident is simply an event occurrence. When you want to refer event occurrence or episode on his persistent refusal to leave the house, so here you are referring event or occurrence. I will explain the whole incident tomorrow. Means I will explain the whole occurrence, event, chain of event tomorrow to someone else, whoever you are addressing. Advice and advice. So many of students they get confused with these two words. Spelling of both the words is different. ADVIC, the first word is here, is used as a noun, means counsel, and advice used as a verb, means to give advice. He gave me good advice. So in this sentence, advice used as noun. In the second sentence, he advised me to go to a hill station. So here in the second sentence, advised used as a verb. Second, next example, affect, effect. Affect, AFFECT, verb, to have effect. Effect is a noun. Affect and effect. His words affected me deeply and I decided to work hard. Here, affected means it, you know, change your mind. So, in that context, it is used. The warning had no effect on the students. So, when teacher is saying the warning had no effect on the students, means there is no change in their behavior. Affect also means to like, to pretend. He affects European dress. He affected complete indifference. Allusion, illusion. Allusion is reference, illusion is deception. Milton is full of classical allusions. So, allusions in the context of literature, Paradise Lost, we all know Paradise Lost is full of allusions. A masterpiece in literature written by John Milton is full of allusions, and illusion is a deception. Many times, even if a black color rope is lying on the floor, so if we watch it from a far place, it looks like a snake. So it is a illusion, deception. There are many such examples of illusion. Search for permanent peace is an illusion. So what you are referring here, that search for peace, permanent peace in your life is an illusion. It is impossible. This is a universal statement, means no one can, get peace in their life, permanent peace in their life. Life is full of struggle, problems, sorrows, happiness. It is a mixture of all these aspects. So in that context, illusion means deception. So search for permanent peace is an illusion. Next example, ascent. Ascent, ASCENT, climbing, going up. ASSENT means permission, giving permission, giving approval, giving sanction. So assent is sanction or approval. As in the context when you are saying principal sir has accepted, or principals assent to a bill of legislature, or president's assent to a bill of legislature or bill of purchase. These are the other examples of commonly confused words. Beside, besides, beneficial, beneficent. So canon, canon. So in next video, I'm going to discuss other examples of One word